and Beakley. Down on the 91 approaching Sierra Avenue, there's an accident, and eastbound on the 10 approaching Fields Road is also reporting accident activity. Highway 74 is closed in both directions between Highway 371 and Highway 111, and all of Highway 243 is closed in both directions.
Need traffic reports before you leave home or the office? Check out XM's website, xmradio.com/traffic, and get the same information we report on the air. Plus, you can customize your report for your specific route. xmradio.com/traffic. Beyond AM, beyond FM, XM. XM Instant Weather.
Your forecast for Los Angeles. Tonight, rain with a few thunderstorms early, mainly cloudy overnight with a few showers. Lows 43 degrees, and your winds are north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow, a few clouds from time to time, highs around 58 degrees. And tomorrow night, mainly clear skies, lows around 32 degrees. Friday, it's mostly cloudy, highs around 58 degrees, and your winds are lightly variable. And for your extended forecast, Saturday, times of sunny clouds, highs in the upper 50s and lows in the mid-40s. And Sunday, plenty of sun, highs in the mid-60s and lows in the upper 40s. Currently, Los Angeles International has light rain, 48 degrees. San Bernardino Airport also has light rain, 41 degrees. And Bakersfield has light rain at 39 degrees. The weather for Los Angeles, I'm Andrea Smith.
Bruce Springsteen's E Street Radio on XM 58. Listen to all Springsteen music all the time, including studio outtakes, rarities, concert recordings, and more. Bruce Springsteen's E Street Radio on XM 58.
XM Instant Traffic for Los Angeles, powered by Traffic.com. XM Instant Traffic time for Los Angeles is 4:22. I'm Andrea Smith with your total XM Instant Traffic and weather for Los Angeles. Jam factor for Los Angeles County is a definite yellow. You have that disabled tractor.